feel like I'm that much more grateful to work from home on a rainy day like this. I don't think I've ever been more jealous of my toddler's nap than I am right now. And I know how silly this looks, but I just need my hair out of my face. Away from my first job was at Taco Time. I was the fryer girl. Making these really brings me back. My first day on the job, I was cleaning out the fryer and I had a ponytail and it got caught on like some type of heating element and like the top half of my ponytail got burned off. And then not that long after that, they had me carrying out this huge used oil drum out to the back, and you had to like pick it up and dump it into this bigger used oil drum, and I dropped it and it spilled all over me.